Okay. So next thing is yung difference between schematic diagram, okay? Yung schematic diagram, block diagram, okay? At saka yung tinatawag nating wiring diagram. Okay. Okay. So, yung tinatawag nating block diagram, guys, okay, yung block diagram natin is from the word itself, block. So, yung block natin is ganyan. Block ha, B-L-O-C-K. Dili, block nga itong. So, block diagram. So, when you say block, blocks ba? Kung blocks na siya, mura siya yung anak. Blocks. So, when you will be hearing yung tinatawag nating block diagram, so it composes of box or blocks. Okay? So the common example that we can discuss sa electrotechnology na block diagram is yung sa power supply natin na 5 volts power supply. Five volts power supply o yung mga supply natin sa mga cellphone. Okay? Sa cellphone, good ninyo guys, yung, di ba, take note, yung mga cellphone chargers natin, that is 220 volts. The input voltage there is 220 volts. So, panlock nimo sa 220 volts AC, okay? And then, paglabas niyan, that is already 5 volts. 5 volts, depende sa amperahe niyan. 5 volts DC, either 1 ampere, 2 amperes. So fast charge or delay. Okay? So, yung DC, AC to DC power supply natin, yung block diagram niyan is very simple. You have here first, the first block. This one here is the power source. Okay? So yung power source natin din guys is of course AC pa man na, saksakan. So yung power source natin din that is 220 volts. Take note, this is 220 volts AC. So AC pa yan. Okay? If you are going to take a look yung voltahe, the dagway sa waveform sa imong AC guys is sinusoidal. We call that one sa mathematics as sinusoidal wave. Okay? Yan, sinusoidal wave. That is the power input of the AC. Next is, after the power source, so pagtapos niyan, next block is transformer. So yung transformer natin, na-discuss ba nato ni last time? Wala. Wala, no?
Wala, sir.
Okay, sa PICA section to. Okay, transformer. So yung transformer natin, guys, ang pinaka-common sa inyong transformer, we have the step-up and the step-down transformer. Okay? Yung step-up transformer is makita na to na sa mga distribution plant kasagaran. Okay, the step-up transformer is there is a certain voltage and then i-increase niya to a higher voltage. That is why it is called step-up transformer. Okay? However, we also have yung tinatawag nating step-down. Okay? So we also have yung tinatawag nating step-down transformer. Ang step-down transformer natin, itong na voltage na yan, atong ipababa. So yung step-down transformer, we can see this one, especially on board ship. Okay, step-down transformer that will convert from 440 volts, yung supply ng mga generators natin, pababa sa common loads natin na 220 volts. Okay? So to convert the 440 volts to 220 volts, kailangan nato og step-down transformer. So in this particular case here, kailangan natin ng step-down transformer para sa imong power supply sa imong cellphone. Okay? So step-down transformer, and then so mahitabo niya sa imong waveform yan na guys. Same waveform pa rin. Okay? Same waveform pa rin, pero bugamay na siya. Okay? So after sa imong transformer ni mana guys, after sa imong transformer, papasok na yung rectifier. After sa imong rectifier, diri mo pasok ang atuang rectifier filter. Okay? After sa itong filter, diri na mo pasok ang atuang regulator. So after sa itong regulator, ang gawas nato din guys is already, this is 5 volts. 5 volts DC. So, okay, so sa may metabo sa waveform, so ang rectifier ni mo ni guys, especially if you will be using a full wave rectifier, so mahitabo niya na positive. And then yung negative niya, instead na nasa sa negative, yan na siya i-inverse, o ana na siya. Then positive again, and then instead na negative nasa baba, mo ana na siya. Okay? So, mo na mahitabo sa rectifier. So, yung rectifier natin, that is already a conversion from your AC to DC. So kung mangutana ganyan na siya guys, is what do you call a device that converts AC to DC? We call that one as a rectifier. Okay? So, as what you can see here, din sa voltage niya, napay mga spikes. So we want to filter that one. Eh, dili man ta gusto ham. So we want to implement yung filter natin. So may tabo niya, if you are going to implement a filter, murag mo ana na siya. Medyo mo flatten na siya. Depende sa capacitance sa nga imong ibutang. Okay? So, for example, yan na yan. So, let's say, ang voltahe pa rin yan is nasa, let's say, mga 26 volts. DC. Sorry. Nasa 26 volts. Pero DC na siya. Okay? Pero yung output natin, we want here that our output here should be 5 volts DC. So, we want to regulate the output. So, yung 26 volts natin, we have to regulate it na para yung output voltage niya is only 5 volts DC. So, basically, ganun pa rin yung waveform, pero mas gamay na siya. 5 volts na. So this one here is the 5 volts DC. So basically, the goal there, dili pa man nato ni discuss guni block per block code because this is the topic for electrotechnology number 2. But the point there is, yung block diagram natin is inyong ana ang itsura niya, block. Okay? So yung circuit diagram or mga wiring diagram naman, yung tinutukoy nating circuit at wiring diagram, ang itsura niyan, yung actual talaga na wiring. So for example, yun nga power supply. So, unsa may dagway niya na, saksakan. After sa atong saksakan na to, this is the source. After the source there, you have the transformer. So, ito na yung transformer natin. Okay, so after the transformer, you have the rectifier. Unsa may dagway sa atong circuit diagram sa rectifier. Okay? That is the rectifier. After sa imong rectifier, you have to implement the filter. So yung filter natin, ganyan. So this is the capacitor. This is the positive, this is the negative part of your filter. And then, after na, you want to implement the regulator. So ang uban nga regulator na ay capacitor din ni gamay. And then, this is your regulator, the LM7805. That's the LM7805. Okay, and then you have again here some sort of very small capacitor, and then this is your output here na 5 volts. So inyong ani nga diagram guys, kini nga diagram, we call this one as circuit diagram or schematic diagram. Okay, so makita ninyo guys ang difference. Makita, klaro man siguro kayo ang difference, no? This one here, above here, this is the block diagram. Okay, block diagram yan. And then din sa baba, this is a circuit diagram. Ang wiring diagram naman is lahi po ng wiring diagram. Yung wiring diagram, makita nyo din mo nga, kini nga point is i-connect siya din na dapita. Klaro? Klaro guys?
Yes sir, yes sir.
Okay.